Good morning, class. I know this is not how we had planned on finishing out the semester, but I have successfully moved our college algebra course online and implemented resources I feel will make sure you are able to successfully complete the course. So I wanted to go ahead and show you the changes to our syllabus and the changes to the layout of our Schoology platform and how to sign up for online tutoring.
All right, class, so when you log on to Schoology and you head to our course, College Algebra, you're going to see a couple things. So the first thing is the fact that we have an updated syllabus, and I put up here that highlight marks the change. So let's go ahead and take a look at how our syllabus has changed. The first thing I want you to note is that now my office hours are by appointment. I'm happy to meet whenever's best for you, possibly even on weekends. So just email me or send me a Schoology message to schedule an appointment. I'm sure you all are wondering how our grading system is going to change. So we'll talk about that once we talk about our calendar. So in Friday in class, I covered sections 8.1 and 8.2. I have posted some information for you guys to review those. This week we're going to cover chapter 9. Next week we're going to cover chapter 10, 11, and 13. We will still have a whole week of final exam review. I'm not quite sure how I want to do that just yet, but any input would be fantastic. I know I've used Kahoots in the past, and you can play those by yourself or with another classmate. Here's how our grade has changed. So I had been doing homework notebook checks before, right after every exam. Because I'm not going to be able to see you guys, I can't check your homework notebook. So I moved those points into participation. But wait, this is an online course. How are we going to participate? Well, we are going to participate through discussion boards, and I'll show you guys that in a second. So our homework notebook, these points have been moved to participation. You must post weekly in the discussion boards and respond to your classmates' post. That means you must ask a question, answer a classmate's question. That way we can stay interactive. I'll be posting on those as well. Homework is now due just every Monday, okay? And all homework is open through the end of the semester for you to complete without penalty. But I do still have due dates, so you can try and stay on top of the material. Tutoring attendance has moved online, and I'll show you how to set up an online tutoring. I'll show you how to access online tutoring in a minute. Tutoring can also be completed with me. So if you schedule office hours to hang out with me via Google Hangout, or we could Skype, Zoom, FaceTime, whatever's best for you guys, we can count that towards your tutoring hours as well. For our tests and our final exam, I know they say we're only going to be online through Easter, but I think that might be pushed back. So we do have an exam coming up on March 30th. I am planning on having this exam. This exam will most likely be on my math lab. You will have to complete it within a certain time frame. I'll probably open it up for 24 hours. And instead of being able to complete each problem infinitely many times, you'll probably be able to do each problem 2 or 3 times, okay? And our final exam is to be determined. So that's what's changed. Any questions, feel free to message me. But let's take a look at some other materials I've posted for you guys. So right under the syllabus is Kinkle Center Online Tutoring. This is where you will go to set up an online tutoring appointment. There is drop-in tutoring all the time. You don't have to make an appointment. So you can just click Go Now, and they will get you all set up with tutoring. Just so you know, you can also get writing tutoring or make an appointment if you prefer that option. Next on our materials, what I'm going to do is I'm going to list everything in a module. So here we have the Chapter 8 module. I covered Chapter 8 last class, but let's take a look at what's in here. So what's in here are the PowerPoints, the worksheets I typically hand out in class, a couple videos that I did not make on the Chapter 8 material, and our discussion board. This little messenger symbol right here, this is our discussion board. So I would like to make sure that each of you ask a question and respond to another classmate's question. This is going to be due next Wednesday. So make sure you post a question about Chapter 8. For the upcoming materials chapters that I didn't cover in class, I'm making modules with videos. And I'm making the videos, so have patience with me. So here's our Chapter 9. I made a worksheet to go with parts 1 and 2 of the videos. Here are the links to the chapter videos. Okay, I'll take you to one of those in a second. And here we have our Chapter 9 PowerPoint and the worksheets that would go with that. The only thing that's going to be added to this, I'll go ahead and add it right now, is our discussion board of Chapter 9 questions. Right? And that's just going to help us make sure we get some more participation in our course. So be sure to post your Chapter 9 questions there. Let's take a look at these videos. So here's a link to the Chapter 9 videos, videos 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to be making 2 more today for you guys. If you click on the link, it takes you to my YouTube channel. Things I think I would ever have to create is a YouTube channel. There is a playlist right now called College Algebra. I'm going to change this to College Algebra Chapter 9. So I'll create a playlist. Those are all the videos you would need to watch in order to be able to complete the homework. I've also will be posting links to Khan Academy. They have some really great videos as well. So that's the way this course is going to go. Any questions, please be sure and reach out to me.
Okay, so now that you've seen all the updates to Schoology and how I'm going to support you guys through the course this semester, I ask for 2 things. One is patience, and the other is constant communication. If you don't let me know when you're stuck on a concept, or if you'd like some additional resources, I can't help you. So, talk to me, and we'll make sure we all successfully complete this semester. Any input from you guys is super helpful. So stay healthy, and I'll talk to you soon.